Hi everyone, my name is Shireen. I'm the on-site CEO and part owner of Spear Rocket Virtual Assistants. And right now we're here at the Lola Corazon Leisure Farm. We are embarking on a 3-day team building activity for my Philippines team, group of virtual assistants. And my objective for this team building activity is only 3 things. Number 1, team collaboration. I want each and every one of them to provide a good team collaboration. And
team building was great so far. It was tiring. We all sweaty, but it was great and looking forward to more games later.
Number 2, improve effective communication. For them to achieve one common goal and for them to show me how teamwork really works.
Teamwork, it applies to all. Sa trabaho,
teamwork and team effort, and just enjoy and have fun.
Learning to work with them and cooperating with them is really fun.
And number 3, to show their strengths and weaknesses. My ultimate goal is for them to have a personal development of their own. So basically, that's my objective for this team building activity, and it'll be starting soon. Come, join me.
Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes. Step by step, you're on your way.
It was fun. At the same time, we are learning each of everyone's strength and weaknesses.
We get to know more about the things that we don't just learn from working from home.
The door is open wide. Feel the rhythm of today. Learn the part and join the play.
if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Yes.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl.
It's a great opportunity to know other team members and also to bond with them, so at least we can work smoothly when we go back home, we go back to our work.
Larger, larger than, bigger, bigger than, living hopes and dreams. Every boy and girl, higher, higher than, brighter, brighter than, all you want.
Synchronized and cooperated yung movements.
You could be larger than life, bigger than.
Slowly but surely, tsaka chemistry and understanding sa movement ng body.
So it's just like our work when we go back to our own computers and work from home. So we have fun, we work hard, and we work together.
The world is here, let's take it for a ride. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky.
Thank you, Spear Rocket VA. So thank you so much, Spear Rocket!
Thank you, Spear Rocket VA!